Petroleum, Natural Gas and Steel, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Secretary Petroleum, Sri Kapoor, Chairman IOCL, Sri Singh. I am happy to participate in the inauguration of the Project Application and Development Center at Paradeep Refinery of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. This center will not only perform a pivotal role in developing the new materials and innovative applications, but will also provide support to investors in setting up manufacturing units in the plastic and polymer sectors. IOCL is the anchor for the plastic and petrochemicals based industries in Odisha. It should play a proactive role in providing infrastructure, raw material support, and technology support to entrepreneurs who wish to set up their units in the region. The expansion of the Paradeep refinery must take into account the requirement of raw material, feedstock, and building blocks for the development of polymer and petrochemical industry. The IOCL's proposed project in the Bhadrak Textiles Park is also an important step towards developing an ecosystem for technical textiles in Odisha. The implementation of Bhadrak project of IOCL also needs to be expedited. The Project Application and Development Center at Paradeep can play the role of a catalyst in developing the polymer-based industry in Odisha. It should emerge as one of the centers of excellence in the field of polymer application. I wish the center all success. Bande Utkal Janani.